Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery for a BMW X5 key. First, gather your materials. You'll need a fresh CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. It's important to ensure your key fob design is compatible with this particular method before you begin. This process is straightforward and will have your key working like new in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small release button, usually on the side. Press this button and then pull out the emergency key blade. This blade will reveal a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry apart the two halves of the key casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Gently pry it out using your screwdriver or fingernail. Note its orientation. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment with the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, facing upwards. Make sure it clicks firmly into place, ensuring a good connection for power. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they snap securely into place. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click. Once everything is back together, test your key's functions to ensure it's working perfectly with your BMW X5.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.